Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to cook beans. Beans is one of the most popular food in Uganda. It's cooked in institutions, schools, everywhere. Actually, when we were growing up at school, we used to eat beans lunch and supper, portion beans, lunch and supper. And from the day you go to school up to the day you come back out of school, apart from sometimes weekend. So today I'm going to cook beans. I'm going to mix it with the silverfish. But at school or in most places they don't do that. That's the way I prefer it. Just cook it plain. Actually, I will show you how they cook it plain. Then after, I will now mix it with beans, so you can find out how they do it in the two ways. So let's get into the business without wasting much more time. So here I already have water, and this is beans. So we are going to allow it to boil until it is ready, and then the other cooking oil, onions, those were carrots, tomato, curry powder for seasonings, different flavors, the same curry powder and seasonings. Some people call it seasonings. salt. And then beans. I'll allow it to boil for 15 minutes. So this is how it looks like after 15 minutes. Most people, they prefer eating it like this, and it actually does taste nice. But for me, I prefer mixing it with silverfish, and that is the next step now. So I now introduce silverfish. For those of you who have not yet watched the video how I prepare silverfish up to this level, probably I may leave the link in the description box below so that you can get to watch that video also. Basically, cooking is unique. Each culture has a different way how they cook, and this is the way I was taught how to cook. So if you know any other way how you prepare silverfish up to this level, you can let me know in the comment section below so that I can learn. Learning does not end. So I may have to add in a little water. And allow it to boil. Until I attain the level of soup that I need. So I'm going to allow it to boil for a short while.